Get into correct head posture by touching the back of your head to the wall. Make sure you are not simply moving your head backward and increasing the curve of the neck. Focus on creating length at the back of your neck. 3, 2, 1. Rest for 2 seconds. Put your head in the correct position by tucking your chin, back of the head to the wall, straight elbows on the side of your body, and slide arms on the wall to the height of your shoulders. Three, two, one. Start. Glide arms on the wall to the height of your shoulders and keep your neck in the tucked in position. Three, two, one. Get a rest. Back of your head to the wall. Elbows bent. Wrists above your elbows touching the wall. Now extend your arms without moving your head. Three, two, one. Start. Inhale while you are lifting your hand up and exhale while you are putting your hands down. Don't forget to keep your head in tucked in position all the time. Three, two, one. Back of your head to the wall. Arms in natural position next to your body. Now lift them up without moving your head. Touch wall with your wrist when you lift your arms. Three, two, one. Start. Inhale while raising your arms and exhale while lowering arms. Don't forget to keep your chin in tucked in position. Three, test. Bring your ear to the shoulder. Rest your hand on the side of the head and allow the weight of the arm gently stretch your neck. Three, two, one. Start. Just let the weight of your arms apply gentle traction. Rest for 2 seconds and continue. Rest for 2 seconds. Now stretch the other side of the neck. Walk in an open doorway. Place your arm against the side of the door. Take a small step forward. Keep your forearm touching the wall. Three, two, one. Start. Rest for 2 seconds. You should feel the stretch in your pectoral muscle at the front of your chest near your armpit. Rest for 2 seconds and continue. Now stretch the other pectoral muscle. Rest for 2 seconds. Rest for 2 seconds and continue.